Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you're doing great and fine shine. You're watching Tutor Hafiz Kashif YouTube channel, and this Islamic YouTube channel producing Quranic content. So if you're new on this channel, so hit the like button, share this video, and also subscribe our YouTube channel Jazak khaira. So without any further delay, let's begin. In this video you will learn what is fatatain, kasratain and dammatain, like double fatha, double kasra and double damma. So without any further delay, let's begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Lesson number 6, the Tanween. So instruction: double fatha, double kasra and double dhamma is called Tanween. Okay, so double fatha, in previous lesson we was learn like fatha kasra dhamma single. Okay, so now we are gonna move towards like double fatha, double dhamma and double kasra is also known by Tanween. So in this lesson, practice to do ikhfa, hiding the voice of meme or noon partially in nose is called ikhfa. Whenever tanween is followed by shorter letters, don't do ikhfa. So boys, please remember the ikhfa rule, like when ikhfa occurs. So ikhfa means hiding the voice of meme or noon partially in the nose, a little bit in the nose. When we hide the voice of noon or meme and nose, so it's called ikhfa. So let's see and let's learn, and in future video we will learn gunna and idgham and iqlab rule, like there is 4 rule of noon sakin and tanween. So let's practice double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma. So meme double fatha man,
ميم دبل فتح من.
ميم double kasra min,
ميم دبل كسرة من.
ميم double dhamma mun.
ميم دبل منام.
What is the sound of this letter? Man,
من.
min,
من.
mun.
من.
You see that we are hiding the voice in the nose, so it's called idgham. So ba double fatha ban,
با دبل فتح بن.
ba double kasra bin,
با دبل كسرة بن.
ba double dhamma bun.
با دبل دم بن.
Now what is the sound? Ban,
بن.
bin,
بن.
bun.
بن.
Same like wow double fatha one,
واو فتح دبل ون.
wow double fatha one,
واو دبل فتح ون.
wow double kasra win,
واو دبل كسرة ون.
wow double dhamma wun.
واو دبل دم ون.
One,
ون.
win,
من.
wun.
ون.
Fa double fatha fan,
فا دبل فتح فن.
fa double kasra fin,
فا دبل كسرة فن.
fa double dhamma fun.
فا دبل دم فن.
Fan, fin, fun.
فن. فن. فن.
Good, well done. Sin double fatha san,
سين دبل فتح سن.
sin double kasra sin,
سين دبل كسرة سن.
sin double dhamma sun,
سين دبل دم سن.
san,
Sun,
sin, sun.
سن. سن. سن.
Sad double fatha son,
صاد دبل فتح صن.
صاد double كسرة صن
صاد double كسرة سين
صاد double دم صن
صاد double دم صن
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 تا double فتى تن
تا double فتى تن
تا double كسرة
تا double كسرة
تا double دمة
تا double دمة
تن تن تن
تن تن تن
دال double فتى دن
دال double فتى دن
دال double كسرة دن
دال double كسرة دن
دال double فتى دن
دال double فتى دن
دن دن دن
دن دن دن
ها double فتى هن
ها double فتى هن
ها double كسرة هن
ها double كسرة هن
ها double دمة هن
ها double دمة هن
هن هن هن
هن هن هن
همزة double فتى أن
همزة
double فتى أن
همزة double فتى أن
همزة double كسرة إن
همزة double كسرة إن
همزة double فتى أن
همزة double فتى أن.
That's wrong. Okay, you are sleeping.
Okay.
This is not fatha. This is dama. Hamza double dama un.
همزة double دمة أن
An in un.
أن إن أن.
Okay, you can ask a question that why we skip these letters. This is your homework. Okay, so
Okay.
you can read and learn in your home. So this is homework, and after that I will check. Allah Hafiz.
Allah